Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today we will join another amazing project which name is Punk.network. This is the main website of Punk.network. Punk Network is used to build Web 3.0 component related to Punk Metaverse NFT DeFi Layer 0. You can also download their wallet. And this is the logo of Punk.network. Punk Network, an open, smart and NFT friendly chain. These are the social links of Punk Network: FB, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram and GitHub. You can also follow these social links, and this is the logo of Punk Network. Cyberspace NFT Museum, NFT Castle, Cyber Pledge. Punk.network is a high performance NFT friendly mainnet based on the Substart architecture with NPOS nominated proof of stakes as the consensus mechanism, which can accommodate a wide range of asset types, a large number of transactions and various types of smart contracts. Click here for more detail. Punk is designed as a powerful ecosystem of user-first product that anyone can use to easily develop, trade, monetize and market with blockchain and NFTs. Game and NFT. Punk Network has reached a strategic cooperation with Game 00302.hk. Its flagship trading card game Red and Blue will authorize Punk Network to issue and sell assets exclusively. Art and NFT Castle Marketplace on Punk.network has held NFT art exhibition in Beijing, China with great success. And here are the links, you can also visit there. And these are the NFT cards. DeFi and NFT, the native dApp developed by Punk.network can achieve one-step construction of NFT type asset, DeFi smart contract products, D-game smart contract game products and pre-20 standard token issuance. The NFT Castle, Cyberspace, Cyber Pledge and Cyber Special. And this is all about this project. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.